Good morning. Today in Vedic math we will discuss pertain the difference between current method and shortcut of current method. Here we have taken the shortcut of current method also. I am not any ego, so that in my book I have more than 10,000 collection, but within that 10,000, 3,000 are shortcut of current method. So that here you see I have taken book quantitative aptitude. Page number 411, number 34. If question is, if each edge of a cube is increased by 25%, then the percentage increase in its surface area is, option is given 25%, B 50%, C 48.7%, D 56.25%. Now what they have done in the books, they have done as per the current method, and I would request all the general students that they will follow this as per the book, because if they do it in shortcut, the board will not give the answer, number. But so for the competitive exam, they have to tick only the option. But which way they have done it, it is not material. So that I would request all the competitive students that they will follow the shortcut of the current method. Here we can do shortcut of current method as well as Vedic. Here you see, if you do like this, let the original is A, then surface area 6A square as per the formula. New is this one, because 25% is increase, so that 125 divided by 100 is, that is 5. 5A by 4. Now surface area is this one, this formula. And increased surface area is this minus this, that is this one. So that the increased percentage is this 1 divided by this and into 100, it is 56.25. The current student will do like this, and it will take 5 to 6 minutes. But if the competitive student will do it, but it will take their more time, and they will not be able to do all the math in competition. So that they will take the advantage of Vedic method and shortcut of current method. Here at first we can do the casting of this A, B, C, D. If you do casting, you know very well, we have to add like this. If it is 9, then it will take 0. Here 2, 5, that is 7. 5 plus 0, that is 5. Here you see 4, 5, that is 9, cancel. 8, take 1 from here, that is 8, 1, 9, cancel, remaining 6. So that this casting is 6. Similarly, this casting, the 5 and 5, 10, that is 9, cancel, remaining 1. 1, 6, 1, 7, 8, 9. So that this casting is 0. Now in shortcut current method, we have x plus y plus xy divided by 100 percentage. So that we will take the advantage of the shortcut formula, that is 25 plus 25 plus 25 into 25 divided by 100 into percentage. If we do it, it will become 56.25. That will be answer. So that D will be the answer. Or you can take the advantage of casting method. Here by casting it is 7, it is plus 7, it is casting 7 into 7, 49, 9 cancel, remaining 4. So that 7, take 2 from here, 9, take 2 from here, 9, so that cancel, remaining 0. So that D casting is 0, so D is the answer. And in this way, from these quantitative, I have shown so many examples that in book they have done. If it is round figure, if it is the radius of a circle, that is round figure, if it is round figure, then 50%, take it double, that is 50 plus 50, that is 50 here, decrease means minus, so that minus 50 plus minus 50 into minus 50 divided by 100 percentage, and you will get this minus 5. But in books they have done like this, so that it will take more time. For example, this, if the circumstances of a circle, it is also round figure, here is increased by 50%, but here one thing, you have to take double of it, 50% double time, so that you will take increase, that is 50 plus 50 plus 50 into 50 divided by 100 percentage, so that it will come by casting, it is 8, and if we do the option casting, C is 8, so it is our answer. And general student will do as per the quantitative aptitude book done it. Thank you very much. We will meet next day.